Hi everyone, this is Nancy with Ashes Treasure, Homesteading and Gardening, and today I'm doing a DIY of my body scrub that I use. I use a cup of brown sugar. You can use white sugar, and if you don't want to use the store-bought sugar, you can make your own brown sugar. It's just 1 cup of white sugar to a tablespoon of molasses, and you just mix it up and everything until you get to the consistency you want of brown sugar, and there you go. You got homemade brown sugar. And I use 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use grapeseed oil or avocado oil. And I just mix it up till I get the consistency that I want. Yes, there's still some down at the bottom, and that just when you go to use it, you just stir it up with your fingers, and there you go. It moistens back up the sugar, and you just put it on your face, on your elbows, on your feet, and it works so great. The essential oils that I used tonight was sweet orange, tangerine, and some tea tree. And I did like 5 to 10 drops of each of those. The tea tree is too strong. Just cut back on some of them. Use 2 to 5 drops. Now, this one I've got at Hobby Lobby, and the great thing about Hobby Lobby, if you have one near you, is that you can use a 40% off coupon. These run about like $10 and 40% off. Somewhere between $5 and $10, and 40% off makes it a really great deal. And anyway, that's a good way you can stock up on your essential oils. Other than that, Now has some good ones. This one is Sensationals. Um, Myers is another place we get them. They're like $5 each, or you can buy 3 in a pack for $10, which is a good deal also. And they work just as well. But yeah, I was sitting here, I was filming a video, and a flash came through, and the look on my face was like, oh my gosh, what is that? Because Memorial Day we had those 20 tornadoes come through Ohio. And I was like, I don't think the look on my face was all that great. So I redid the video, but I think it was just somebody's car lights. Because the storms that are coming through tonight, the map shows that we're not getting any. But we know how that goes. It all depends on the atmosphere. So I'm still going to keep an ear out for the sirens just in case. But other than that, that is what I do for my body scrub. I will be doing another video about the facial wash that I make, and giving you all the recipe for that. I can say the recipe, the however you want to say it, and it smells really good also. And then the body whip. I will try to do a video as I'm doing it on the stove, and it sits in the fridge for about 30 minutes to getting hard just a little bit, and then you whip it up. My phone, it sometimes will let me videotape 10 minutes. Sometimes it'll only let me do 3 minutes. So we'll see how that works out. Other than that, that is what I do, and I hope y'all enjoy. I hope y'all gonna make some body scrub and use it and have some wonderful results. And thank you for watching Ash's Treasure. I hope y'all have a wonderful evening. Thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Ring that bell for notifications. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And I'll see you next time on Ash's Treasure.